Hello, how's it going? I hope you're doing great. I want to take this moment to say thank you so much for being here, for watching these videos. I would really appreciate if you leave comments, suggestions, let me know what you like about the video, what you don't like about the videos. My workout videos, I will be only exercising. I will not be talking, but if you have any questions about the exercise, don't forget to comment. So leave questions. I will be replying to them. It will be a pleasure for me to read them. Don't forget to share someone that you know that might be interested. I do see that people are enjoying the cooking videos, so I will definitely be doing more of. If you have a recipe that you would like me to do or cook, however you want to say it, share it with me. That would be awesome. Yeah, I will do my best to replicate it. Yeah, so once again, thank you so much for your time. Do appreciate you. Pumped this moment. I'm about to do some exercises. Let me know what you think about the new exercises that I'm doing. Some kind of like doing this and doing this and just doing this. Like, wow. Like that. Let me know what you think about that. Leave any comments that come to your mind, and I would be more than glad to read them and reply to you. Let's start a conversation. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye for now.
Se te acabó el gas.